Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is all about the latest and also last collab between Loewe and Studio Ghibli Howl's moving castle. It's very whimsy, very beautiful. I couldn't pass it up. I know I promised to upload my Cardholder review as the next video, and that one is coming very soon as well. I put like a lot of effort in it, but that's also why it's not finished yet. But I'd like to show you the pieces I got from this collab. I got 4 in total, and I think these are really cool. There were some quality concerns this time, and I'm just unboxing them, so I'm really filming this on the go. So a very spontaneous and honest review, but I do feel so far I was lucky. They are so cute. Let's have a look at more pieces. I'm already wearing the Howl's moving castle hoodie, and the main motif, of course, is the moving castle, and I think that one is very gorgeous. I wasn't completely sure about that one because it's super expensive, so I wasn't sure if I can justify it, but I think quality is very nice. It's very thick, it's very soft, although it has a lot of embroidery. It feels very soft and nice to wear, and also the printed parts, they don't look like they'd be getting a lot of cracks easily. So very gorgeous piece. I also think it suits me. That one is size extra small, and from last year's Spirited Away collab I got the bow and bird hoodie. That one is size small. I think this year's size fits me better, but it also has some leather parts, and I think it's so hard to wash these, but I think it's very beautiful. Quality is very thick, very soft, very cool. I think fit is nice, so 10 out of 10 points for this hoodie. So up next is the Calcifer mini puzzle, and it's the first puzzle bag I ever bought. I kind of resisted it so far, but a lot of people have it, a lot of people love it. Also, it seems to be like every luxury lover's travel bag, so I wanted to get at least one. And that one seemed to be the right one, and I think it is very gorgeous. I actually thought this would be Hermès orange box orange, but it's a bit more of a reddish orange. I'd call it tangerine. This leather is called satin leather, and it's pretty stiff, but I do like it. I think Loewe wants to find a leather for this bag that's a little bit less soft and slouchy, so it keeps its shape. There were a few concerns about the quality and the leather. I guess I was lucky with mine. It does have some minor issues. It had a lot of glue residue, that's also not great. Reminded me of Chanel a little bit, but I could remove most of it. Except for that, I think it's very well made. Also, I think the marquetry on this piece was made very well, so there's no wrong stitch. I think it's very cute. It's Calcifer, and it's also pretty small on this bag, so I think it's whimsy, it's fun, it's cool, it's very wearable. What I really like about that one is you can easily dress it up or down. Here it is with the castle hoodie. I'm showing you a few different looks. Also, I think orange is one of the few pop colors that you can wear year-round. You can wear this in the deepest winter, and we have high summer outfits. I also wanted to try an evening outfit. This is like a super spontaneous video. I'm not sure if that's a perfect outfit for this, but I think it does work. It's okay. That one is a bit matchy, but I think it's cool as well. Also, I wasn't sure about that one when I ordered it because I never played around with a puzzle bag before, but this mini, I think it is very cool. I really like the leather. That one definitely will get some use. Yeah, and that's also the Calcifer cardholder. It's in blueberry, and that's actually the 2 colors they had for the Calcifer mini puzzles, the blueberry and the orange. And I also think this is a really cute color. I wanted to have something in this color. I also have to say I like this color better in real life than I liked it on the stock photos. I think it's cute, but I do think I still prefer my orange mini puzzle, but both shades are definitely gorgeous. I think I could have made this shade work very well with this dress actually. And the last item I have here is the Calcifer bag charm. It's also very cool, it's very nice. I do have to say I feel it looks a little bit big on my mini puzzle. And that's the bag where I thought that it could live, so maybe this is too much if I have the mini puzzle in a pop color, and then it has this Calcifer marquetry, and then also you have a Calcifer bag charm. I think, and a mini puzzle already looks very cool on its own, but yeah, I'm still thinking about that one. And that's such a fun and whimsy collection. I think I'm very glad I finally decided to get a mini puzzle, and maybe it's also my favorite collection, and I do think the pieces I chose will definitely get somewhere. Yes, and see you very soon with my closer review of the super gorgeous Cardholder. Thanks for watching.